Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Airtable for managing an e-commerce advertising campaign, your full 2025 guide. First step, you're going to want to set up a new base in Airtable. This will be the primary location for all your campaign data. This step is vital because it's where all your campaign information will be held, from ad copy to performance metrics. Now that we've done that, let's move to the second step. In this new base, create different tables for each aspect of your campaign. You might have a table for your ad content, another for your target audience, and another for your budget. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and easily accessible. With Airtable's grid view, you can easily see all your data at a quick glance. Next up, customize your tables to suit your needs. Add fields for different data types like text, attachments, checkboxes, and more. This helps us because it allows us to manage various data types in a more visual and interactive manner, making it easier to track and analyze your campaign's progress. Fourth step, use Airtable's linking feature. This allows you to connect records between tables, creating a relational database. For instance, you can link a specific ad content to its corresponding target audience. The reason we do this is to show relationships between different aspects of your campaign, giving you a more holistic view of your strategy. Now let's talk about views. Create different views for each table based on your needs. For example, you might want a calendar view for your campaign schedule or a Kanban view for your ad creation process. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By creating custom views, you're able to visualize your data in ways that best serve your workflow and decision-making process. Finally, utilize Airtable's collaboration feature. You can invite your team members to your base, assign tasks, and even communicate through comments. This is important because it allows for seamless coordination and communication, increasing productivity and efficiency in your campaign management. So in a nutshell, that's how you use Airtable for managing an e-commerce advertising campaign. Remember, the beauty of Airtable lies in its flexibility and interactivity, so don't hesitate to tweak things to fit your unique needs. That's all for today. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next one.